Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Apilado. My experience prior to taking this course, I had no experience in implants whatsoever, none. So I came here as a blank slate. Different than what I expected because they taught us one-on-one and they really cared how we did. And they sat with us and they brainstormed through all of the issues that we ran into, and they'll always be there to help us. So I placed 25 implants this weekend. The last case I did, I placed 4 implants and did 2 allografts and some membrane. The topic that resonated the most with me was occlusion and how important it is to make the implants work. From what I have learned, I feel that I can go starting tomorrow and place several implants with ease. The atmosphere here at the Institute was phenomenal. Everybody helped, everybody wanted us to succeed, and they treated us all like family. I would recommend this course to all of my colleagues, and no doubt